Hello everyone. In this lecture we will discuss how to implement control section and program linking. As we had discussed in the earlier lecture that when we want to implement control section, we have to write two more records. One is define record, another is refer record. In addition to that, we have to perform some modification, or you can say some update in the modification record. Now, when we want to implement control section, the assembler must include information in the object program that will cause the loader to insert proper values where they are required. That means we have to revise our modification record. There are two more records that are used in object program when we are writing the object program. One is define record. How it will be written? Column 1 D stands for define record. Column 2 to 7, name of the external symbol defined in this control section. Name of the external symbol defined in this control section. That means we have to mention the name of the external symbol that is defined in this control section. Then column 8 to 13, relative address within this control section. Relative address of the symbol within this control section in hex. That means we have to write in hexadecimal. Then column 14 to 73, repeat information in column 2 to 13 for other external symbols. That means if in the control section the symbols are S1, S2, S3, these are defined. Then in the define record we will write like this: define record, then symbol S1. Then what is the address corresponding S1 in this control section? Suppose that address is 0024. So we have to write 000024. Then another symbol S2 and the address corresponding this S2 in this control section. Suppose that address is 000027. And then S3, an address corresponding S3. Suppose that address is 000030. So our define record will be written like this. Then refer record. Column 1 R stands for refer record. Column 2 to 7, name of the external symbol referred to in this control section. That means the name of that symbol that is referred in this control section. And column 8 to 73, name of other external reference symbols. That means what? Suppose in a control section I am referring the symbol S1 and S2. So we have to write the refer record like this: R, then symbol S1, then symbol S2. That will be our refer record. Now, our revised modification record will be like this. Column 1 M stands for modification record. Column 2 to 7, starting address of the field to be modified, it is same as per the previous modification record format. Starting address of the field to be modified in hex. Column 8 to 9, length of the field to be modified in half bytes in hex, it is also same. Now the change is what? In column 10 we have to write the modification flag, either plus or minus. Then column 11 to 16, external symbol whose value is to be added to or subtracted from the indicated field. That means we have to write the name of the external symbol whose value to be added or subtracted from the indicated field. No, just remember that Control section name is automatically an external symbol it is available for use in modification record. Now, our first control section was main control section. Here, I have taken the snapshot of that program, and we want to write the object program corresponding the main control section. Now you can see, first we have to write the header record. Header record, first column is H, then the name of the control section. This is our main program. So what will be the name of this control section? That is what? Copy. This. So copy. Then starting address of the program, that is what? 0. So 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Then size of this control section. How you will get the size of this control section? The next part of this control section is here, this one. What is the last address? That is what? 1033. 1033 minus 0, you will get the size. So this is the value. Max len is the value. This is the value of append minus buffer, 1000. And this is the next address as well as the value corresponding append also. This one. So, header record will be like this, H, then the name of the program copy, then the starting address of the program, that is 0, this one, and then the size of the program, that is 001033. Then we have to write the define record. What will be the define record? First column D, then look into the EXTDEF section, this one, EXTDEF. What are the symbol? Buffer, buffend and length. So first write buffer, this one buffer. And what is the address of buffer in this control section? You can see. What is the address of buffer in this control section? 0033. So it is written here 000033, this one. Then the next symbol is what? Buffend in EXTDEF, buffend. Then what is the address corresponding buffend or value corresponding buffend? That is what? 1033. So it is written here 001033. Next symbol is in EXTDEF length, this one. Then what is the address corresponding length? That is what? 002D. You can see here 002D. So it is written here 00002D. This becomes our define record. Now the next record is refer record. First column is R, this one. Then just look into the EXTREF, this one. What are the symbols? RDREC and WRREC. Just write it here. RDREC and WRREC only. RDREC and WRREC. So this becomes our refer record. Now the next task is what? To write the text record. How to write the text record now? First column is T, this one. Then the starting address of the text record, that is 0000, this one. So it is written here 000000. Then the size of the text record. What will be the size of the text record? Just count the number of bytes, and we know that the maximum size of the text record is 30 bytes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30th byte will be this, and we know that we have to include the whole object code or none. That means our text record size will be 29 byte until this point. So 29 in decimal and in hexadecimal, that will be written as 1D. So it is written here 1D. Then we have to write the object code 172027, 172027. Then in this way we have to write these object code until this point 0F2016. 0F2016. Now the next text record will start from the address 001D. So the text record is start from the address 00001D, this one. Then what will be the size of text record? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and after this there is a reserve word. That means we have to consider this text record until this point only. So the size of text record is 13, that means 0D in hexadecimal. Now we have to write the object code here 010003, this one, until this point 3E2000, 3E2000, it is written here. Now our next text record will start from the address 0030. So the next text record is here written from the address 000030. Then what is the size of this text record? Because these reserve byte, that means we have to consider only this one. What is the size? 1, 2, 3, 3 byte. So it is written here 3 byte, and then the object code is 454F46. Now we have to write the modification record. Just look into this. Where the modification is required. You know that here I have just filled 0 because we don't know the value of RDREC. And here also I have just filled the 0 because we don't know the value of WREC because it was in EXT ref section. And another is what? Here also we don't know the value of WREC, so 0 is filled here. 0 is filled here. And other instructions are written in format 3. So there is no problem because in format 3 we are using the displacement. That means what? We had to write the modification record for this instruction, this one instruction, and this one instruction. You can see. When we are writing the modification record, we have to change in the address field only. And address field is written in 20 bit. That means how many half bytes are present? 5 half bytes. That means we have to perform the change in 5 half bytes only in this. Then what will be the address of that modification record? You can see the starting address of this instruction is 0003. So the address corresponding 4B is 0003 and 10 is 0004. So we have to perform from 00004 0004. So the modification record address will be M, then address will be 000004, and how many bytes or half bytes I just want to perform the change in 5 half bytes, in 5 half bytes. So it is written here 05, and what we have to do here, we have to add the value of RDREC here for getting the address of RDREC at the time of execution. So it is written what is the modification flag plus, and we have to add the value of RDREC. Now in this case, this is also format 4 instruction. So what will be the address corresponding modification record? That will be 0011 because this instruction starts from 0010. So the address corresponding 4B will be 0010 and corresponding 10 that will be 0011. So in the modification record 000011, then how many half bytes are there? You can see here 5 half bytes. So it is written here 5. And what we have to do here? We have to add the value of WREC. So it is written here plus WREC. Now the next instruction is this one. Here also what is the address? 0024. So the modification record is at 000024, and we have to change in the 5 half bytes. So it is written here 05, and what we have to do? Just add the value of WREC in this, so that we can get the exact value of this object code. So it is written here plus WREC. Now we have to write the end record because this is the main control section. So in end record we have to write first column as E and then starting address of the program, that is what 0000000, this one 0, because this is the main control section, that's why it is written here. And you know that when I am writing the end record, what is the meaning of end record? Our execution, when this program will be loaded in primary memory, the execution will start from 000000 address. That means our execution will start from this address. That is the meaning of this end record. But when we are writing the end record for other control sections that are present in this program, then there will only E will be written, because what is the reason? The reason is that in that we don't know that from where the execution will start, and that is also not part of the main, that is not the main program, and always our execution start from the main program. That is the reason in other control section only E will be written. This address will not be mentioned. This is the RDREC control section. You can see here RDREC CSET, RDREC control section. Now our task is to write the object program corresponding RDREC control section. Here you can see first column is H, header record. We have to write the header record first. The first column is H, then the name of the control section or a program, that is what, RDREC. It is written here RDREC. Then the starting address. What is the starting address? 0000. Here also it is what, 000000. Then what is the size of this control section? What is the size of this control section? You can see here 0028. At 0028, what is written here? Word. That means it will take 3 bytes of memory. The next address will be 002B. So when we want to get the size of this control section, that will be what, 002B minus 0, you will get the size of this control section. That will be what, 00002B. Now there is no EXTDEF section, so we have to write only refer record here, because EXTDEF is not written here. So only we have to write refer record. Refer record R. Then what are the symbol? Buffer, length and buffend. It is written here buffer, length and buffend. Now our task is to write the text record. Our first text record, this one T, first column T. It is start from 0000. So it is written here 000000. And what will be the size of this text record? The size of this text record will be 29. You can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. So the size will be 29. That means it is written here 1D in hexadecimal. 29 is written here in hexadecimal as 1D. Now our task is to write the object code from B410 to B850. It is written B410, then B400 and so on, and last object code is B850 until this point. Now the next text record will start from 001D. You can see here 001D, this one. So T, first column, then 00001D. Then what will be the size of this text record? You can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So the size is what? 0E or 14 in hexadecimal. Now our task is to write the object code from here to this point. That will be what? 3B2 FE9, 3B2 FE9. Then this one, then this one, then this one, at last 000000. This one 000000. Now just think about the modification record, where the modification is required in this control section. You can see the first modification is required here, because I have just filled the value of buffer as 0, because buffer was in EXT ref section. So first modification record is required here, and then length, I have just used here length, and length is defined in EXT ref. That means I am referring, I don't know the value of length here. So the next is this one. Next, here I am using buffend and buffer, and I don't know the value of buffend and buffer because these are referred here. These are not defined in this control section. So here also the modification is required. Now we have to write the modification records. Our first modification record is at 0018 address, because you can see this instruction is starting from 0017. The address corresponding this one is 0017. Corresponding 90 is 0018. The first modification record will be at 000018, And how many half bytes in which the modification will be performed? 5 half bytes, because this is format 4 instruction and this takes 20 bit address. 0, 5, and what we have to do? We have to add the value of buffer here, because this is the address of buffer. So I just written here modification flag is as plus and then buffer. Now in this case, what we have to do? Modification record first column M, then what will be the address of modification? 0020 is the starting address, this one 0020 and this one is 0021. So our modification record will be at 000021. And how many half bytes are here which require the modification? 5. So it is written here 5, and then what we have to do? We have to add the value of length to get the exact address of the length here. So it is written here plus length. Now for this, you can see here, when we want to find out the value of buffend minus buffer, we don't know the value of buffend as well as buffer. That's why buffend and buffer both are taken as 0. So 0 minus 0, that becomes 0. So 0 is written in one word here. Now when we want to perform the modification, how you will do? If I add the buffend value in this value and subtract buffer value, then we will get the buffend minus buffer. I am repeating one more time. If I want to find out the value of buffend minus buffer here, what we will do? If in this value I just add buffend and then subtract buffer, then we will get the buffend minus buffer value. Now here the modification is required in these 6 half bytes or nibbles. You can see, because I had to change in the whole value. This whole value I had to change in the whole value. So the modification will be on 6 half bytes. And what will be the address of the modification? Because we had to change from the starting. And what is the starting address here? 0028. So we have to perform the modification at 0028 address. Modification 000028 address. And how many half bytes? 6 half bytes in all these. 6 half bytes. And what we have to do? We have to add the value of buffend. Add the value of buffend. And now add this address only. M 000028 06 half bytes, and I have to subtract the value of buffer minus buffer, and then we have to write the end record as only E, because this is not the main program, this is only a control section. It can be called by any main program, or you can say any program. Now the next task is to write the object program for WREC control section. You can see here, this is this is REC, WREC control section. In this case also, there is only EXTREF, that means only we have to write the refer record. First we have to write the header record. What will be header record? H, then the name of the control section, WREC, starting address of this control section 0000, so it is written here 000000, and then what is the size of this control section? You can see here the next address will be, because this is 1 byte, the next address will be 1C minus 0. You will get the size of this control section 001C. Now in the refer record R, the symbols are length. First one symbol is length, next symbol is buffer. Now I have to write the text record. What will be the text record? First column T, then starting address of this text record 0000, right here 000000. Then the size of the text record, you can see here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28. You can see this is not a reserved word, not a reserved byte, so I have to take in the continuation only. That's why the total size of the text record is 28, and 28 is written in hexadecimal as 1C. Then we have to write the object code from B410 to 05. So it is written here B410, then 771000000, this one, then this one, then this one, and until 05. At last, until 05 is written. Now we have to write the modification record. You can see here. In the refer extref section, the symbols are length and buffer. Where the length is used here. So this require modification record. This one also require modification record. Buffer is used here. And so you can see in this case only two modifications are required. One is at this place, another is at this place. What will the modification? In this case, we have to add the value of length in the 5 half bytes here, because this is format 4 instruction. Here also in the 5 half bytes we have to add the value of buffer. So we have to write now the modification record. First column M. Then what will be the address here? You can see 0002. It is the address corresponding 77. What will be the address corresponding 100003? So our modification record will be at 000003, and I have to perform the change in 5 half bytes. So it is written here 05, and what we have to do, add the value of length. So it is written here plus length. Now the next modification record will be at this position. What will be the address of this modification record? Because this start from 000C. So address corresponding 53 is 000C, corresponding 90 is 000D. So our modification record is at 00000D, and I have to perform change in 5 half bytes. So it is written here 505. And what I have to do, just add the value of buffer here, plus buffer. And at last E is written because this is a control section, not the main program. That's why the address is not written here. Thank you so much.